So my 2025 goals are to be more consistent, hopefully sell some of my hair and skin oil I made, be successful in my business, in this new journey I'm starting in life, and find myself again. I've been through a lot last year, but I think it's what made me the woman I am right now, and I thank God for it, and I thank God for my health, because health is wealth. It's priceless. I just carved out my eyebrows. I used this Clinique instant concealer in the shade 03. That's what it says on the back. So I just carved out my brows. Let's see what we're gonna do. I think I just want to do a very simple look. Let's be so for real. I'm using this old eyeshadow palette, Rainforest of the Sea Volume 2 by Tarte. Okay, these are the colors. You can find these colors in almost any palette. Not any palette, but a palette. I'm gonna go in with some tape. So that's how I apply it. Just look straight ahead, look down, place it that way, following your temporal lobes. It depends on how the angle of the wing, how you want it to look. Okay, so you want to make sure that they're even. Yeah, I think that's about right. All right, so I'm gonna take this color right here, this taupey color kinda, and just put it all in the outer corner and a little bit up, because it's gonna be the smoky look. It's looking pretty. It doesn't have to be super precise, but you just want that wing, because when we put the liner, it's gonna look really smoky and sultry. So just bring it in a little bit and up, and the tape is gonna be your safe space. Okay, it's your safe space. It's your safe space, babe. Just taking with the same brush, I'm just taking these two colors now, the two browns. I'm putting it as my transition shade, but I'm putting it up here and just blending it out. So here we go. Ow. Now I'm taking this color right here, and it's just like a gold shimmer color, and just placing it on top of the lid and bringing it a little bit in. Again, we're gonna put a wing, so the wing is gonna do all the talking. It's the eyes, babe. They never lie. All right, now going in with the brown shade, just kind of blending it out. All right, for the eyes and the liner, I'm using Inglot. It's been used pretty well, pretty used and abused. But I'm using the Inglot gel liner. It's in the shade 77. And let's draw on our wing. Let's start in the middle, and failed already. It's okay, we'll just smoke it out. All right. I'm taking a very small brush. It's like a felt tip. It's the Nativity Feast. We're gonna be up until God knows when. I mean, let's be so for real. For foundation, I'm using the Kimchi. A really good foundation, and this is basically, there's so many different ways nowadays to apply foundation, but I say just do it however you want. Who cares? Art is art, am I right? First the tape, now this. But there's so many ways. Like, people are gonna be like, some people are like, use a brush. Some people are like, beauty blenders. I say use a pawpaw. Get you a pawpaw. Get you a pawpaw wonder blender. It's so versatile. You can use it to blend. Yeah, that's pretty much it. No, but you could use it to blend, to set. Like, you could use it with powder, cream, literally everywhere. Make sure to blend it down too, right here. And then just trust the process. You're probably like, Mars, Marina, your shade is lighter than your skin. What are you doing with your life? Did you take a look in the mirror? Yeah, I did. Okay, and it told me that in order, a common mistake people make, and this is what I used to make too, everyone makes it, I feel like, choosing a foundation shade that's exactly your skin color, it causes it to oxidize. Sometimes, usually foundation will oxidize and get darker. So putting your exact foundation, and this is just my advice, you can take it or leave it, but using your exact same foundation color is gonna oxidize, and it's gonna give you that like whitish shoe look, orange up here and whatever. It's because it oxidizes, and it's a common mistake. Like, I still do it to this day. It's okay. It's okay. You're gonna get through this. We're gonna get through this together. There are first world problems, and then there are real problems in life. This is a first world problem. So just hang in there. Now, here goes the bronzing stick. Honestly, this is becoming my favorite, the OYS bronzing stick in Harmony. Are you kidding me? This is literally becoming my favorite. Yeah, because we want that, you know what I mean? But yeah, this is, it blends so well, like, you guys don't even know. I'm just drawing on my face at this point. Like, boop, boop. It's fun to blend. I'm gonna take my favorite setting spray, the One Size setting spray. You know what I mean? Spray with my beauty blender and blend up. Now the Pawpaw, I said beauty blender, I'm so sorry. Pawpaw, this is the Pawpaw. It's a third dupe for the beauty blenders. I always talk about them because they're so amazing. I remember starting up, I would be like $20 for a beauty blender. Get out of here. No, but for real guys, this is so versatile. I'm obsessed. Like, the Pawpaw Wonder Blender is everything. I'm just blending this out. The Clinique eyeliner to waterline or tightline my waterline. It's okay to be messy up here because we're gonna smudge it out. And then take this translucent pink powder by One Size Beauty and just setting my face. This is the MAC Stay With Me eyeshadow palette. I'm just smudging my waterline, just smoking it out. This is Kimchi Honey Buns lipstick. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the look, and girls, never forget you were that girl. Now, signing off.